Larissa asks, how soon after you marry a U.S. citizen can you get citizenship? Okay, well, surprisingly, might be surprising to you to know that your marriage date is completely irrelevant. It has nothing to do with it. What does determine when you can get a U.S. citizenship is when you receive your green card. And if you receive that green card through marriage to a U.S. citizen, and that's different than the marriage date. Remember, it doesn't matter if you've been married 20 years. Um, all that matters is you need to, if you get your green card based on marriage, you have to wait 3 years. And that's shorter than the normal time. Other methods of getting a green card that are not marriage based, it's 5 years. So you do get a little break there. It's 3 years. But that means you need to hold a green card for 3 years. It doesn't matter how long you've been married. You can get married, as most people do. You can get married immediately, get your green card. It's 3 years. So your marriage date happens to be 3 years, and your green card's 3 years. Now you're eligible to naturalize, become a citizen. Or you could be married 20 years. Doesn't matter. Now you still have to wait 3 years after you get that green card. So marriage date's irrelevant. What matters is how long you've had a green card. You need to have your green card for 3 years if you obtained your green card through marriage, and you can then apply to naturalize, which, again, timelines are all over the map, but generally 4 or 5 months to naturalize. So if you want to be technically a little more correct, you could add that time that it's going to take. So 3 years with a green card, then you can apply 4 or 5. Let's say it takes 6 months, so maybe 3.5 years before you become a citizen, but that's how it all breaks down.
Okay. Now, just to add to that real quick, um, to let any of you folks out there know, if you're going through this process, there's also a couple steps in between that. You can't just get married and then go and file for naturalization. In some cases, if you came on a K-1 fiance visa and you get married, then you have to file for adjustment of status to get a lawful permanent resident card. That's getting the green card, and then the clock starts ticking from there. And then that's a conditional resident card, meaning that's only valid for 2 years. So then you're going to have to remove conditions. Also, if you come on a CR1 spousal visa and you're only married, you just got married, get your visa, that's a conditional resident card. That's only valid for 2 years. So then you'll have to remove conditions, and then you'll have to wait another year to be eligible for naturalization. So I just want to throw that in there because I received quite a few phone calls where folks tell me, "Hey, we're married. I just want to get my naturalization." Whoa, whoa, whoa! I wish it were that simple, but unfortunately, the government has put a few extra steps in there that you have to comply with first. And again, if you have any questions on that, you can find more information with USCIS or on our website, or just give us a call.
If you found this video useful, it would mean a lot to us if you could hit the like button and comment below to let us know what you think. You can also ask your own immigration questions in the comments below. If you want to make sure not to miss any of our future videos, we invite you to subscribe here on YouTube and be sure to click the notification icon so you can be alerted whenever we publish a new video. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, where you can watch our regular immigration Q&A live streams.